Okay, this is number 4, and it says a ball is launched with a horizontal velocity of 6 meters per second, a vertical velocity of 4 meters per second. What is the launch velocity and or how high at what angle above the ground is ball launched? So this has a couple of things. So how I'm going to find this is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So pretty much saying 4 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. So 16 plus 36 equals 50. So then I'll take the square root pretty much of each one. That gets you back to that. And so c, or this hypotenuse, will be equal to 7.071 meters per second. So just keep the whole thing. So 7.071. So now it wants you to figure out, because this is 90, it wants you to figure out this angle thing right here. So we're going to go back to SOHCAHTOA. So so the opposite, because I rounded this, so it won't be completely equal to, you know, this angle plus this angle being 90, just because I rounded it off from what, you know, square root of 50 was, because it's not completely equal. So for this one, this angle, we don't know what it is. So we need to figure it out. So we're not going to do the typical sine, cosine, whatever that. We're going to do the inverse, which I hope everybody remembers. So the way we do that is this angle is equal to the opposite over hypotenuse. So we're going to do the sine then, but we're going to do the inverse sine because we're solving for that. So the inverse, remember the little negative, sine of these two numbers, so the opposite, so 6 over 7.071 is equal to your angle, pretty much. So I'm going to show you how you do that in the calculator. So we're going to take the negative sign, so in my calculator I'm going to do second sine, and then it will show you a little parentheses 6 divided by 7.071. That gives you 58. So that angle there, because actually it looks bigger when you draw it, it looks bigger than that one. So I kind of know that I'm doing it right. The angle is equal to 58.05. So I'm just going to show you how they figure out the other one, just for some extra practice, just I guess for funsies. So we know this one's 58.05. So I guess you could also subtract 90 from that to get you what you need, but for some extra practice, we're gonna just look at it. So this one we don't know what it is. So we're gonna do the same thing again. So I'm gonna do opposite over hypotenuse. So sine. So the negative sine, because we're doing the inverse or whatever, is equal to 4 over 7.071. So again, I'll do this in the calculator for you. So it's negative sign. Give you the little thing. 4 divided by 7.071, which will get you about 34.45 degrees. That's going to be your angle. So when you add them together, I mean, that's about, it looks about 92-ish, 92.5. Again, from rounding, so 92 plus 90 obviously is a little more than 180, which it should be, but because I rounded, it will be okay.